Changing your voice on Discord mobile involves using another app because Discord does not have a built-in voice changer, and here is a guide to achieve this. So let's get started. Firstly, open App Store on your iOS and Google Play Store on Android and search for the reliable voice changer app compatible with Discord. Some popular options include Voice Mode, Magic Mic, and Voice Changer Plus. Then, install your chosen voice changer app from the App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android and allow the app to access your microphone. Then all you have to do is open the app, browse available voice effects and select one. Then simply go to the Discord mobile and navigate to server, join a voice channel or start a private call, and open the voice changer app and enable the desired effect and speak into your microphone, and the modified voice will be transmitted to Discord. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.